some toast? What are you going to have on your toast? A ball. You know that saying, do what you love and never work a day in your life? Well, we have that dream job, Brent in particular. So he's gonna go play with Landcruisers after playing with them, working on them all week. Maybe he needs a coffee first.
See you guys. All got food in their mouth. Happy day. Happy day. See you, bub. Well, it's another lovely Saturday morning. Believe it or not, I'm actually not working today. Kind of working, but not working. I'm gonna play with that thing a bit. So that's the idea for today. Got a couple of stops that I need to make this morning, so we'll go get it done, eh? Would help if I unlock the car. Go to box and get me coffee. Coffee time. If you haven't come down to these guys, come down, because they make a wicked coffee. Plus they do little toasties and stuff. I haven't had anything to eat yet, so I'm going to do that. Should be sweet. So now, the problem is, I've got coffee, but because I own a 70 series Landcruiser, I've got no cup holders. Hopefully going to fix that today, because I do have center console in the back seat, so we'll see how today goes. But I'll have to just sit here and enjoy this before I drive anywhere. So I've got a feeling I might wear this if I don't. Herein lies the problem. No cup holder. It's okay. Got one in the back there. Gonna put it in today. First stop, you go see Luke at Outback Customs. Got a step thing that I want to do to my car, so Luke's gonna help me out and we'll get it sorted. So just sized up my steps with Luke, and gonna head to J-Max now, pick up a clutch, and then we'll head up to Rob's and play with some cars. Should be a mad time. Thanks, Luke. Love their truck, wicked thing. Alright, so I got the clutch off Jace. There it is. So let's head up the coast and see Mr. Morris. Get this thing going. It'll be a good time. I made it. I'm here. Had to wake him up again. Well, I think he was awake, but he's coming. So, like I said, not technically working today. Had to pick some parts up for Rob. Like I said before. got the clutch for him. I'm gonna have a bit of a play with my thing today. Put the center console in, maybe put my UHF in if I'm feeling bloody, you know, a bit heady going. But it's just gonna help a brother out. We've got a ute in here that he obviously wants to get done, so I thought, oh, didn't have too much on today. Ames and the kids are obviously doing their thing. I think she said they're going to a strawberry farm or something, so I was gonna come up and help him out with this. Looks like he's almost there. Got a cradle in and diffs halfway built, so we might hit that thing and get that out of the way for him. Man, they weigh a lot. Just thought he's been awesome dude to us, so I'm coming up to give Rob a hand, get this thing sorted out. So he's going to keep going on the back, I'm going to hit the front, and I reckon with the efforts of both of us, we should have this thing pretty much ready to come back down onto the ground this afternoon. Should be a sweet old fun time of car building. Wicked little spot. Oh yeah. So we were here fitting this stuff up, and then we discovered that this is actually not the correct springs, so we had to go get springs. And now it's dark, so yeah, wheel light and stopping that. So the sun has gone down, as you can see out there. Hey Rob. And I just put my center console in because that was the one thing I really wanted to do today. No cup holder. It's okay. Got one in the back there. Gonna put it in today. So, check it. Alright, at the end of the day, heading home now. Got a bit done today. It's pretty good. Played with some cars, sun's gone down. Time to go home, get some sleep. Hung out with Rob. Saw Luke this morning. Went to J-Max twice today. Get different parts and stuff like that, so that was cool. All in all, good times. Now it's dark. Don't forget guys, like, subscribe, make sure you hit that bell, and I will see y'all next time. California, outside party. South Central. That's right.